You got it! Good job, Tristan! Here comes the shuttles. You gonna catch a shuttle?
Okay. Here it comes! Here it comes!
Woo! Yay, look at Tristan, look how close it came to the launch pad. That's perfect.
And look, I caught it in midair. Did you see me catch it in midair?
Hey, are you happy?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Hey.
And I even caught it in midair.
That was totally awesome, Tristan. Give me a high five.